YouTube. Today's video, we're gonna do some more work to the ZX10 in the background. We're gonna put some tank grips. That's right, some tank grips. Now, these tank grips, I'm gonna put these tank strips on the bike just to have something to keep me in place, so I'm not riding with my hands. But the company I got these from, oh, it says ZX10, which is all right. I guess that'll work. So I'm gonna test fit these real quick, see how they look on the bike, and if I like them. Matter of fact, let's do this together. YouTube, I think I bought the wrong one, man. Damn it. I don't like this. Oh, it'll grow on you. It's a black bike. Yeah, I don't like this. I didn't want this on here. And then now that I'm looking at it, if I put this on the bike, it's gonna cover up my graphics. So, you know how you have the ZX10R graphic going across like that? It's gonna pretty much cover that. Gonna look like this. And I was trying to figure out another way to make this work. It's basically gonna sit like this. I was told, man, you know the other bikes I've done, I put this to the very edge. You're supposed to leave like a little bit, like a little gap like that. That's how it's supposed to look. Whatever. Them bikes are gone. But I'm gonna install this. I'm gonna install this one, but I'm on the fence about this one, if I like that. This looks, to install these, right? You can do this one of two ways. If you put it on just like this, it'll never stay. It'll always come off. You'll have all that sticky residue. Never just put it on like that. You can do one of two things. You could do, first thing you can do, put it in the sun. Let it heat up in the sun. Or I had a blow dryer and I have a battery charger. So I'm gonna heat these up really, really nice and hot. And then I'm gonna stick them onto the bike. I'm not feeling the ZX10, man. I just have the Kawasaki and then you have the ZX10 on the side. That's it. I like this. Put these on. And go from there. Now that I got the heater going, I'm just gonna hold this like this and just apply some heat to the back of it. Let it get nice and toasty so it can stick real good. I've already cleaned the surface, by the way. I did it off the camera. I had the chemicals over there on the tool set. Make sure you clean the surface. I'm gonna peel the paint off or the sticky off. The way this works, I usually like to place it down first where I want it to go, and then I peel back the sticker from underneath. You want to keep pressing the middle, making sure you get it all the way down. And once you do that, apply some more heat. You can do this, or you can put the bike outside in the sun. I think I'm just gonna I'm only gonna use this one. I'm not gonna use this one. I like how this looks too much. All right, so what you do to one side, you do to the other. Man, so it came out nice, both sides. So if you look, one on this side, this side. I pretty much only really bought these bottom parts, these down here. This will not go on the bike at all. I don't need this. I don't need this at all. This is trash. And then I don't like the fact that it says ZX10 for sure. I like the fact that it comes without the Ninja sticker here. I want to keep it as clean and simple as I can. I think that's enough ZX10 on the side of the bike, other than this here in the front, which is right there. So I want to thank you guys for watching this real quick video, and I hope that you guys have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day.